Hi friends, in the last session we have discussed that what concept, aliasing and cloning of list objects, right? So in the last session we have discussed that aliasing and cloning of list objects. So we can do by using slice operator and by using copy function. So first of all, why we are using for aliasing and cloning objects means whenever we are changing original list, so the remaining list also it is getting affected. So to prevent that problem only, we have to go for the cloning process. So cloning we can use by using two ways. One is a slice operator and the second one by using copy function. Okay, so slice operator means by this way we are creating another list. Okay, so next if you are changing anything on this list object, so it won't affect in the original list. uh, the same thing for the second one also. ls.copy function means whatever we are taking first original list, we are creating duplicate on the existing. Okay, we are creating duplicate on the existing, and whatever you are changing on the duplicate, so it won't affect in the original list. Okay, it won't affect in the original list, right? So this is what we discussed as part of in the last session. So now today we are going to discuss about mathematical operators for list objects. Okay, mathematical operators for list objects. Mathematical operators for list objects. Mathematical operators for list objects. So mathematical operators for list objects means normally we can use plus comma star operator. Okay, normally we can use plus comma star operator for list objects. Okay, for list objects. So plus operator is nothing but concatenation operator. Okay, concatenation. Okay, concatenation operator, that means a plus operator. Second one is a repetition operator. Okay, repetition operator star. Okay, we have to use we will use only these two operators as part of list objects. Okay, so now observe each and every point with in detail. Okay, first we have to go for concatenation operator. Okay, first we have to go for concatenation operator. So concatenation operator is going to add two list objects into a single list. Okay, we can use a plus operator plus operator to concatenate to concatenate concatenate two lists into a single list into a single list into a single list. Okay, so for that we have to observe one small example. Mm, so I'm taking the first list. Okay, I'm taking first list as a. So next I'm taking b is equal to, I'm taking another list. Okay, I'm taking b is another list. 10 comma 20 comma 30 comma 40 comma 60. Okay, total how many elements? 60. I mean 6 elements here and here. Okay, now what I'm doing means c is equal to a plus b. Okay, c is equal to a plus b. Print c. Okay, observe the output. So it's going to add to the end of the list. It's going to add to the end of the list, and it won't create any problem. Okay, it won't create any problem. So this is example 1. This is sorry. Next, so the same thing, example 2. Suppose here I'm taking here one is list. Okay, second one is I'm taking Sai Kumar. Okay, I'm taking string. Okay, I'm taking string. Now observe, it is giving the error as a type error can only concatenate list, not a string to list. Okay, not a string to list. Now example 2. Now example 2. So, and the second thing is here what I will take is, in the second list I will take first elements are 6, second elements are I will take only 2, 20, 2 elements I will take. So there is no any issue if we taking in this way also. Means first are 6 elements and second one is 2 elements, means it won't create any problem, and it will add the elements to the next list. Okay, it will add the next elements to the next list. So by using this note we can say that, what is that, whenever we are adding whenever we are adding whenever we are using plus operator. Okay, whenever you are using plus operator for list objects, both are should be list type. Okay, both are should be list type. Okay, both are should be list type. So if both are should be list type, otherwise we will get a type error. Otherwise we will get a type error, right? So whenever we are using plus operator for list objects, both are should be list type. Otherwise we will get a type error. We observed three cases, right? One is by using two numbers I am giving, and the second case I am giving only string and list, and the third case is I am taking two lists. Okay, so second one I'm taking repetition operator. Okay, I'm taking second one is a repetition operator. So normally repetition operator we can use to repeat the elements, set of elements number of times. Okay, we can use repetition operator to repeat elements of list specified number of times. Okay, we can use a repetition operator to repeat elements of list specified number of times, right? So how we can do? Okay, how we can do? Observe here. I'm taking one list. Okay, I'm taking one list. What I'm doing means star 2 I'm taking. Star 2 I'm taking. So now the intention of this star 2 means these elements are going to repeat two times. Okay, it is not going to add 50 into 200, 5 into 210. It's not going to do like that. It is going to repeat these elements twice. Okay, it is going to repeat the elements twice. Okay, 55 30, 55 30. So in that way it is going to repeat, not in other way. Okay, repetition of this is nothing but repetition operator. Repetition operator. So suppose here I'm taking one is a list type and one is int type and one is a list type. Suppose if I'm taking suppose if I'm taking float type. Suppose if I'm taking float type 2.7. 2.7 I'm taking. Now observe here, if I'm taking a into 2.7 means it is giving error that can't multiply sequence by non-int type of float. Make sure if you are repeating any elements, so both are should be, one is should be list type and second one is should be int type. Int type and list type, so then only it is possible to convert. Okay, here I'm showing because two cases. We have to learn with the errors, then only we'll get the subject. One is list int type means there is no any issue, but if you are taking float means we are getting error. Okay, so this is nothing but repetition operator. Conclusion note: whenever we are using repetition operator, repetition operator whenever we are using repetition operator, both I mean one one should be list type. One should be list type and second one should be int type. Whenever we are using repetition operator, one should be list type and second one should be int type. Otherwise, instead of int, we can provide in the form of base 10. Whenever we are using repetition operator, one should be list type and second should be int type. Otherwise, instead of int, we can provide in the form of base 10 also. It is valid. But otherwise, but if we are taking any other, if you are taking any other, we are going to get we will get error. We will get error. We will get error as a type error. Okay, so this is nothing but mathematical operators for list objects. Concatenation operator and repetition operator. Concatenation operator means just adding one list to another list and is going to create a new list. Both are should be list type. If you are taking one list and one string, it's going to give error. So list means it type should be list, so we are taking how many elements, it's not going to consider, but type both should be list operator for concatenation. But if you are whenever we are going for repetition operator, one should be int type and one should be list type. Int, instead of int, we can take in the form of base 10 also, but if you are taking any other, then this we are going to get error saying type error. When there we are going to get type error saying can't multiply sequence by non-int type of float. Can't multiply sequence by non-int type of float. This is nothing but mathematical operators for list objects. Okay, thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you are having any questions, please reach out to my email id or post your query in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time. Thank you.